Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do cartoon 3D style filter on Instagram. So if you're looking for the filter here in Instagram, you will not get the effect because this effect is from Snapchat. So once you have Snapchat, what you can do, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website, visit this page. And here you will see the snap code for this filter. So tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, and you will see this pop-up on Snapchat, unlock for 48 hours. Tap there. Okay, and you got the filter. So what you have to do, you have to record a video here in Snapchat and you have to save the video to your camera roll, and from there you can use the video in Instagram. You can tap on the screen to change your face. Okay, so let's create a small video. Let's save it. Now let's go to Instagram. Okay, so in Instagram, this is the upload button. Just tap there. This is the video we just made. Select the video. If you want to add some music, you can add it here. If you want to add some sticker, you can do it here. So once you are done with all of your editing, just hit the send button and you are ready to share it to your story. Same thing, you can do it with the reels. You can send it to reels. Let me close this one. Let's go back. Let's go to reels. Same thing, go to the upload, select the video. Okay, tap on add. Okay, hit the next button. If you want to add some music, add it here and share it to your reels. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this cartoon 3D style filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.